You don't have anything. And we are moving backwards, guys! What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video of What's Take. Before I even get into the video, before I ordered the clutch, a lot of people mentioned slave cylinder, master cylinder, called up various garages, looked on the internet, they all say it's to do with the cylinders. Without hesitation, I bought both new cylinders, brand new from eBay. We got the master cylinder out. There's a new one from JDM Garage, and OEM one as well. This might be the problem. Good trial and error. It seems to be working fine, to be honest. Only one way to find out. And it goes. A garage quoted that they take 2 to 4 hours, so that would have cost about, I'd say about £200. And then you got VAT as well. So now, like I said, we're filling the fluid, then we're going to bleed it, and I'm going to start the car. It's a moment of truth if we're going to save £2,500 on this fix. So stay tuned. Look how clean it is. Yeah. So we're about to find out. We've bled the system. Oh wow. It's working a lot better now. No, look, same thing. Start the car wouldn't move. You try to put it in first gear when the car's on, it wouldn't go into gear unless you put it in first gear and you jump the car. So we just left it at that. After that moment, so I got in touch with Auto Extreme. They specialise in most modified sports cars. Spoke to Wayne. He said the best clutch to get for that Skyline is a twin plate 230mm clutch. I believe they handle over 1,000 brake horsepower. Competition drift cars running over 1,000 brake have that same clutch, so that's why we went with that one. So big shout out to Auto Extreme. I got in touch with a local mechanic. He's from Iraq. His name is Ashkan. He's fixed a couple of cars in the past. From my experience, I feel like he's one of the best mechanics I know locally. We got 4 jack stands and a halfords jack kit. Let's put it in, man. Not high enough.
Bring it down.
Bring it down?
Yeah.
Bring it down. Big fat tarantulas in there and everything. Brother, shall I put this in the other wheel?
No. Yeah, just leave it like that.
Should we start the car? Do you want to have a check?
Yes.
Auto Extreme clutch, this is. It's clutch.
I think no, this is master cylinder.
I changed master cylinder.
Yeah.
Still the same.
This problem, maybe fork.
Clutch fork.
Like a metal. When you press the clutch,
Yeah.
the fork press the bearing
Yeah.
for press plate.
Okay.
This one problem. Brother,
Yeah.
just go press the clutch for me, please.
Still pumping. I changed the master, I changed the slave, but the clutch don't engage.
This is new.
Yeah, new one. I changed it. I think the plate
the
engaging,
plate.
not engage.
No problem.
Yeah.
Is this yeah, very good. Yeah, man.
You did not mess around. It's okay, yeah?
Yeah. No.
You gonna grab the gearbox?
Yeah, man.
Crazy, man. It's rated to over 1,000 brake.
Yeah.
Over 1,000
Oh,
brake.
you'll be blessed.
That's all. I want to be able to have things that are on the car that
Yeah.
is overly powered.
Yeah.
So I can
So you never
break
have to
it.
worry about it going on.
I'm not even doing the hard work and I'm struggling here.
Yeah, that attaches onto the fork, and then that pushes the pressure plate.
Yeah. Crazy man you are. Oh my god. Yeah.
I need a Lenky.
What?
I think number 5.
Plate. grab them. You grab them.
No, be careful, huh? Just leave it like that.
Okay. Yeah, leave it like that. That's what he said.
Open the slide.
I'm gonna manually do it.
You have hammer?
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Right, you want a cigarette?
No. I need hammer, man.
Okay, hammer. This one. Give me this one. Give me this.
You
I
have
forgot.
oil.
Got this rubber one here. With it. I mean the new one. You're using that. Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's bad.
That's amazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's smart. Do you need help or anything?
No, thank you.
Yeah. It just needs to get past the flywheel.
It's getting close. It's getting closer.
And bottom.
It's going.
It's going in. It's going in. Let me try. We're gonna have to do the oil another time. This is all I got. Go in.
Yeah.
First gear, second gear, and clutch down. Yes.
Yeah.
Quick first gear. Alhamdulillah. First gear, then second gear. It's working, man.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
Thank you, man. And you, man. And thank me as well. Oh, bro, I don't know what to say. We did it. Mum, I made it. Alright, to the next day. The clutch has been changed. We're in daylight. We've got the gearbox fluid. We've got to put it in the Skyline, and that's when we can get to it. Now, so basically, the clutch is inside the Skyline. We have started it. You've seen the video. Here it is. You can see that. We chose the full synthetic lightweight shockproof. The reason being is because the last couple of years it had heavy shockproof and the Skyline was really used for drag strip all the time. But because we're going to be street driving, we're using the lightweight one because it's much better for the Skyline. The functionality of this, it'll look after the gearbox and the clutch. And so this is what we're going to be using. We ordered 5 bottles and it come to £118. So this, and eventually this should pop off. So you lift this bit up now. This is where basically all the fluid goes. Okay, bismillah. Almost. Second bottle. Bismillah. Alright, so bottle number 3 goes in. This is bottle number 4. No, that's 4 bottles. Right, we've done it now. It's all in. It's looking a bit wonky. I'm not too sure why. Let's start the car up. Start it up. Now that we've got the new clutch in, we're going to see if the car can go backward and forward. Oh, wow. Oh my God, we are moving backwards, guys. No way. Oh, first gear. Oh man, this clutch is better than the old one. Reverse. Oh my God, it's not even that grabby. Alright, forward. Ah, this is so good. Alhamdulillah. Guys, we pulled it off. This car was dead for about 2 weeks and now it's alive and it's moving on her own legs, and now we're going to take it on the road, so stay tuned on this one. Thank you to everybody supporting the channel, dropping the comments, liking the video and just showing constant support. I'd say 70% of people commented on the video when the clutch broke and you said do it yourself, do it in the unit, don't take it to a garage, you're going to get ripped off. And you know what, and you guys were right, and we managed to pull it off. I want to give the biggest shout to the mechanic Ashkan that helped do this, and everybody else that was involved. Thank you so much for doing this, and we were able to do it. To end this video, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Hope nobody experiences the same thing that I had. Look after your family, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.